Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm just going to throw a quick little video together today. We're going to do something a little different. Nothing you haven't seen me done before. We're doing the smash burgers. Get those over here and throw them on there and let them get started. They've already been rolled and seasoned. We'll get ready to pat them out here in a couple of minutes. But the thing is, I have never attempted to fix one of the onion burgers that everybody does so much of on the internet. We're going to try one of those, just one. May totally mess it up, might not be able to eat it, but it's hamburger and it's onion. How bad could it be? We're going to toast one of the buns. I'm just doing one. Let me go ahead and get this lid shut. Let's get these two grilling. It's just going to be a short video throw together here. Let me pause the video for just a minute. We'll get this lid shut. Alright, we're going to make sure these don't stick. I did spray the grill top down with some cooking oil. That way nothing would stick. Kind of space these out because we're fixing to lay the smash on them. Here again, this is nothing new, but I began doing this here lately. We've started fixing these things thinner and making the smash burgers. Everybody seems to like them pretty good. They're a little different. We used to fry them thick. Had what seemed like a pound or pound and a half of meat per bun, but anyway, so we're going to do this. These things are browning up nice, yeah, on the bottom side. Just a minute, we're going to go ahead and lay the smack down on these things and flatten them out. We'll put the camera down for just a second because once again, I am the only one filming. And trying to hold it with one hand and do the burgers with the other. We'll be right back. Alright, that's got them all smashed out, and I think this one right here is going to be the lucky recipient of the onions. It's going to be my first attempt at an onion burger. Let's get those smashed or spread out on there. Don't touch that, that's a little warm. Of course, at the rate I'm going, we might have 2 or 3 with onions on them. Anyway, this is my first go at this. This works good, and we may fix more later, make a whole video and dedicated just to that. There's that. When we move these here in a minute, we're going to get a bun and toast it here just a little bit. But I'm going to go ahead and flip some of these over. As you can tell, they're thin, and they do not take long to cook. As opposed to the way we used to fix them real thick, it took quite a while to fry them because there's so much air, and you always want to get your hamburger meat rather fried thoroughly. I eat steaks a little rawer, but I don't mess with this stuff. We go ahead and do it up right. Thank you. My wife assisted me by bringing me a platter to put these on. Alright, they don't like much being done here. Now the onion. I'm going to try my best to flip this thing. This is my first attempt at it. Like I say, we may make a total train wreck right here, but here we go. Yeah, that's close. Let that grill up just a minute. These are almost done. Like a few pieces of onion we might go ahead and throw on here. I've got that all over the place, but this thing will be worth it, I believe. Alrighty. I'm going to leave that going for just a second and pause the camera. Alright, we're going to get a few of these patties off here because they are well done. They are well done. We're going to throw this hamburger bun on there. See if we can't get just a little toasting action going on it. Then we're going to build that burger right there on that plate, I do believe. Feel free to comment. See something I'm doing wrong, let me know. Like I said, here we go. For anybody that might not have caught it earlier, this is my first attempt at making a onion burger. So, and it does smell like grilled onions. Unfortunately, you all can't experience that like I am right now, and it right in my face. But all right, here's what we're going to do. I'll leave those just for a second. I'm going to pause the camera, and as soon as they get done enough, I'll be right back. Alright folks, wish me luck at getting this thing in one place. I don't know exactly how to approach this. Let's go ahead and put that on there. I'm going to lay the camera down for just a second. And there it is. It's a little messy. We'll get that in here and get it on a plate. Show you a picture of it here in just a moment. And right there we go. First attempt at a onion smash burger. I guess if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Sorry for the background noise. Have a great day. God bless. See you on the next one.